Hi, good morning. Happy Diwali and Happy New Year to all. I think it's just Ammar sir and me right now. People should join or not join. Okay, so Ammar sir is there. Jay Prashant is there. We had an eventful last week, right? Because I think almost all the trades triggered, and uh, to in fact, ACC also worked, but I don't know why Paresh had changed the stop loss and it went into 10 rupees loss. So one, two, this also gave something, but it didn't hit the target. But I think two losses also because I think Reliance I saw hitting stop loss and Bajaj Auto also hitting stop loss. Okay. And still the market remains sideways. We had embraced 18,000 and then again came down. So this is acting as resistance right now. Again, here we saw resistances that it almost crossed 40,000 and then came down. So yes, somewhere some resistance still there. And my view is we should be sideways for some time now. There would be some sideways movement coming up. Okay, so I'm just waiting for a few more people to join in. And there is few things that I wanted to share. Some really good things that I would be sharing today related to where I was this weekend, where I'm planning to be again soon. So same to you, Devin, by a very, very happy and prosperous new year.
Yes, happy new year to you, sir, everyone.
So, okay, just getting out, people join. Okay, 10 people are joining. I'll just start with few things. Okay, so everyone is invited. Okay, so this is the biggest Derasar which is opening or a Jain temple in a way opening in our ashram. And there is the opening. You can see the function starts on 24th of December till 31st of December. So this is going to be where I will be there from 18th of November. Okay, so because of this, there are people would be there. Like I think Sabne Sunarega Swaminarayan Mandirs, whenever they have been built, all the sevaks are the devotees that they are there. Same, this is the place where all the devotees are only making this temple right now, and there would be almost 2,000 to 3,000 people in the ashram now on. My son is already there. He would be there till 3rd of January till everything completes. And even I will be going there once on 18th of November and I will be there till 3rd of January. So there would be no live sessions. So I'm really sorry for that. I wanted to actually say this that since I'll be committed to the only reason why I've chosen, to be a trader is to be more active in seva in my ashram. And since this is the biggest opportunity of my life, I will be there from 18 November. But at the same time, every weekend you get the weekly analysis recorded and uploaded as well. Okay. The only thing is, I might be on and off on the day-to-day guidance on the chat, but Paresh would be available and I would be having access. I will be sure that and guiding, but mainly it will be not as active as I'm right now because I will be here for this fantastic event there, and I will be there in Seva for 9 hours to 12 hours per day, starting from 10 a.m. So if I am in meeting rooms, I will be able to see the markets and do the things that way. But mainly because I will be in this Seva Yajna, I would restrain myself from any other things at that time. So still, weekly analysis will be there. Top bottom will work as we are doing right now. So there will be everyday levels will be posted. And if the trades would trigger, Paresh would be there to guide us. Okay. So only it will be me not be able to be there. And my total thing would close from maybe 22nd of December. But I think till then, I will be available on and off for offline support. I'll be always there, but only during this 8 to 10 last days, there would be, somewhere some delays in my response. So I'm just seeking forgiveness in advance for the same thing. Okay, but this is once in lifetime, and no one would actually want to miss who are been part of this fantastic event. So that is the only reason why I said I'll bring this up today. I'm still there next week, and then I'll be away. So I'll just thank you and everyone, even in advance, for the support this group has given to us. So mainly, because of this, I won't be available from 18th onwards, but till 18th I'm there. And as I said, we'll still continue for the weekly analysis in advance. Okay, so we will be doing that, and I'll be uploading it on YouTube, and the links will be shared as well. Right. So thanks for the support, and let me.
Sir, please don't seek forgiveness. You are giving such a good support, and even in such a important event, also you are ready to give support. That's a great thing.
No, see, it
So,
is what we have learned from our guru is that no one should suffer, and it is
no.
always you have if because I will be not there full time. We have learned from him only which we are passing out, right? So
Right,
it's just
right.
like we as I will be not there as committed to
Correct.
the thing as always. That is the
Yeah.
only reason why I'm saying.
No, it is a great opportunity for you and a great event. We wish all the best. I'm sorry I will not be able to visit.
Thank you,
Uh,
sir. Thank you
yeah,
very
but
much. And I think
our
if anybody wants to visit, just let me know
yes,
because we can there is the link I will post as well.
yes,
Anybody can register. It's not that that it is only particular to a particular religion or anything.
yeah,
It's open to all.
yes, sir. And I'm sorry, sir, I have to leave little very early today. I have some appointment.
Sure, sir.
Sir,
No
sorry
worries.
for yeah.
Sorry, no
Thanks,
worries, no
thanks,
worries.
sir. Thank you for all the guidance and all the best for this event.
Thank you very much. So let's start, with today's this thing. I will share that, Raj. It's in the ashram. Okay, so let me just give that brief again. Okay, so this is where to visit. This is this Jain temple which we are getting inaugurated in our ashram, which is in Valsad, and the dates are here. And there is, if you see the website is also been made. It is apm.srmd.org. Okay, so this is where it's going to be there. So this is the opening of this particular biggest. You can see the temple. So this is it, and you can say everything has been counted, and there is register here. If anyone wants to offer seva, can do that. So I have done this both. This will depend. Okay, so this is what each and every day's plan. You can even attend any one of the day as well. And if anyone is coming, let me know. I have my house at ashram, and it's just opposite to this. Just opposite to this. So if anybody is coming, let me know. Okay, so let's start with this week. Let's start with Nifty. Once we keep the open, here it is. So from top bottom also we can see there is sideways movement that has come up now. Okay, so let's go to Nifty. So Nifty, see this is same as top bottom chart as well if you look at the RSI. Right, so there is a chance of a second support at 48.50 levels, and this is also the price or RSI support line if you look at. Okay, so there is going to be support. So RSI has been taking support here at multiple times. So this is looking to be a good line of support as well. So let's see what happens on Monday. Okay, and to cross 18,100 again. So this is going to be the resistance for now. Okay, 18,000 is already one resistance, and this is another resistance. So specifically 18,088 is the main thing. Okay, this needs to be crossed. So if this is crossed, we might see again it coming to around 18,500. Okay, so this is what we're looking on daily chart. But my view is this. Okay, so look at this volume here. Okay, look at the next volume as well, which is a bull sash, and this is going to be a key support. The low of bull sash. Okay, so your 17,750 is going to be a good support. So this is, I think, we already have in our list, if I'm not wrong, 17,700. Yeah, so that is the support we are at. Okay, so we are between these levels again. Okay, and this should remain same. Let's see what does it shows. Let me also say lines and here also. It's a bullish Harani at price support. So now again it shows some recovery. So again, see the low of this is 17,700 or 750 around. So that is still the same level. And okay, so this also looks good. So November has started on a positive note. We need it to cross 18,100, which is the previous to previous months almost a high. Okay, so once this is crossed, we might see this again coming up to there. See, still on this level, there is no bearishness. Okay, there is no bearishness here. So this still is, a consolidation phase. Here now it is also a PRD. If you look at it, there is a PRD which is getting confirmation here. So there is, as we had said last week, 5-bar PRD setup, and the PRD target is absolutely a new high. Okay, so that is what we are seeing now. Here also, if you look at it, it's forming a wedge. So we need to see which side the breakdown is. Okay, this looks like even this. Okay, or it can be this. So we need to now wait and watch on what side it goes out. Okay, so its consolidation maybe, at a level where we might see. See, this has not actually come to even 40. Okay, it has come till already 43 or so, and maybe the low hit was 40. And now it is again, doing sideways and might come to 60 and resist, or what it will do. Because see, it has remained above 60 for almost 3 months. So now there is a chance that, we might see some sideways movement. So this is the sideways approach we might now see in the markets. But this bull sash with a good level of volume again is, showing us some sign of recovery, and bullish harami on weekly charts after the PRD setup again shows us something. So we might see coming to 18,500 once. Okay, so let's write down 17,916. Let's support the 40 but we have RSI support line, okay, which is around 50-ish. Price support. Fiber clearly confirms about this. Followed by bullish harami. So bearishness will increase below 17,350, which we are not seeing yet. We have not even tested that those levels. Okay, so this still remains okay to us. Okay, because monthly has just started, we'll keep this only. We'll not, change anything on monthly. Now this goes because the daily is at around 50 plus. Okay, so daily is around 50 plus. The levels remains the same for us. Okay. Let's go to time. So Bank Nifty weekly has also got a doji and upper band resistance. So there was a upper band resistance on weekly, and it is also at a gap support. Okay, so we do have a gap support on Bank. Okay, here 20 ms support is still there. So this is still okay. I know we are short in Nifty and Bank Nifty, but I still feel, somewhere it's going to be sideways movement maybe. So if you look at it, अभी सपोर्ट ले लिया है हमने ट्रेंड पे. अभी ये थोड़ा वापस यहाँ तक आके वापस ऊपर जा सकता है. We don't know. So this is still looking, to be at support, and this is critical now. We need to close above 4,300. So till then, I don't see it coming back to that 41,500 levels. That is one thing. So we do have small candles at 20 ms support, but below 60. The key is below 60. But let me see this. And 5306 and 5310. So okay, no PID here as well. So this is fine. Nothing to bother us. This is also okay. 2G is there. Even monthly there is a 2G still. So there is nothing here since bad over here also. So no bearishness yet, but there can be some testing of 38,400. Okay, this is the support which we have. There can be some testing of this, and if this is crossed, we might see again this. Okay. So here there is no bearishness on monthly as well. Weekly also does not have any bearishness, and daily is at price support, but RSI is below 60. So let's write down 39,600 is where we are. So not much below. And G at 20 and price support. Different car, but what the name? OG price gap support. Base up same, and this still remains the resistance 39,700 because we are below 39,700. So everything remains still the intact even in this. Okay, my view looking at the charts says we will remain sideways now till the pre-budget rally, which will start from probably 25th of December. Okay, so maybe the last week of December till 1st of February there can be a rally, but till then the market will remain sideways and might have some consolidation before that. Okay, let's see the other. So this is still under some influence of resistance. Okay, below 20 mm, but any breakout would be a quick movement in this. Okay, because see, why I'm saying that is the number of times it's been resisted at 20 mm. Okay. Broken first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and now even this week. So this is what 7 candles at the same level. Okay, so now if I have to break, it is going to be a big pattern. So we'll have to see even on this star what happens. And same way there is also, see shape there on this also. So there can be a spot till 60 on even RSI. So there can be one day where it might break above. So this shows somewhere. Look at this. It's a bull. It's a pro gap harami, by the way. See, it's a harami, but it's a pro gap harami. So there is a bullish harami here, but pro gap wala. Okay, so see, this is the difference if you look at it. There is a gap over here, and अगर आपने निफ्टी में देखा तो निफ्टी में गैप नहीं था. Okay, so this is a pro gap harami. Okay, so this chance is now brighter, and look at it where it is. Okay, at 60 support. So IT is looking a bit good now. So TCS and Infi should have a watch. This is now looking good. And see from where it has settled. Almost 90, 87, 88 gaya tha ye RSI. From there, see it settled till 60, and now there can be a fresh rally in this. Okay, so RSI को settle किया जाए. and now you might see a fresh rally. And this also is okay. Okay, now see there is still no bearishness. Okay, unless the month is over. So this is a fresh month. And now if I cross this 88.95 with the movement on the upside, again no bearishness. So now we'll have to be looking for it. So let's see, whether it gives you any bearish divergence or it also falls below. Okay, so A level is critical for this index. If it falls below it, no bearishness. If it keeps going up and crosses 89, then also no bearishness. Okay. It will be in the same range. 1500 point का जो range है अभी का 38,800 to maybe 40,300. Yeah, this looks okay to me. 35,300. Let's write down now for IT 35. अच्छा काफी मतलब 1000 point already करा है. Candle at 40 and price support triple bottom as well. So this has worked for it already. Okay, so if you look at this last week, there is a triple bottom and see there was a bounce immediately. Okay, so there is a bull size here also at 40 support, and now it is at 20 MA resistance. So small candles at MA 20 resistance. Okay. We at full cap Harami. Okay, at 60 support. ये भाई साहब नीचे क्या कर रहे हैं? Monthly so far shooting star. Okay, but see this also had 40, 60, 60, and that has shown a bounce. So I don't think so. Spot and future, if they're exactly same, will indicate any bearishness. But mainly, it can be also because there will be few nifty stocks which have uh, some corporate actions pending, and it might, correct once they have been done. So अगर किसी का dividend वगैरह कुछ है, तो वो उसके वजह से nifty stocks spot would have corrections. And once I think they are there done, they can be a bounce. But if spot and future has got same thing or discount or mainly in they have premium, it does not much indicate anything in the start of the month. And Nifty is not looking that bearish currently. It needs to break down 17,350 as said earlier, because that is where the bearish divergence will confirm. So till then, I am not citing any bearishness still in that Nifty, and monthly does not show any bearishness. So should hold that view. But if it breaks, then there will be some bearishness. And mainly we need to see stocks as well, because I think 40 has worked good support for mainly many of the stocks. So let's see other. So, see reality now. So reality is again touching the all-time high, right? We saw India Bull Realty. I think it went good. So we might now change the stop loss in stock areas as well. And this is looking good. See, it is almost now looking for a stop. And see, we had a view, right, that this is looking good. At support from lower band at last 4 days, it has got a good bounce. Okay, so reality is looking good. see. इधर थोड़ा टेंशन है 4 बार बेरिश divergence है. So let's see what it does. This is now see a breakout. So now that can be either a make or break up. See this monthly chart looks fantastic now. First level breakout. Okay, this is the first level breakout. Now it needs to cross this. तो जैसे ही 552 के ऊपर में जाएगा, see it hit a new high already this week.
इथे दिसतं बेटिंग मध्ये जायचं.
So now let's see what happens. Okay. So even reality is looking good, and we'll see few reality stocks as well. I think someone was holding Shobha and I had asked them to, hold it for some time because it's really looking good. भी अच्छा है क्योंकि नो बेरिशनेस है ऑन मंथली. इट्स गुड. और यहाँ पे भी सपोर्ट, ये देखो इसने भी सपोर्ट लिया और बुलशैश है. ये तो बुलशैश है मतलब इट्स मोर पावरफुल. So infra stocks is also looking good and need a bounce, need a breakout. See 60 resisted here and again it's 60. So Nifty I'm planning, Nifty मैं बोला ना कि यहाँ तक एक बार आना चाहिए. एक बार वो रेंज शिफ्ट के लिए आना चाहिए. Then what it does will be critical. Okay. It has been gaining some 80% every day. Shobha, yeah, it is doing good. ना अभी there is no entry. शोभा में पहले एंट्री था, अभी नहीं है. You will have to see, don't worry, you will see the stock later. Okay, I think before I end, I can Diwali भी मेरा बाकी है, so I will give you one Diwali stock as well. Okay, so to all the viewers, at least you should get some Diwali from Swechart. Stock है मेरे दिमाग में, वो दिखाऊंगा मैं आपको. And there can be an entry and target on that. It's a cup breakout at 460 support. But मेरे को ज़्यादा नहीं मिला था. I searched almost, I think 330 stocks था, उसमें से एक ही मेरे को अच्छा लगा. This had bullish divergence and then again I'm worried for this sector only for few reasons. I need a breakout of this. And mainly this is looking to be a bullish setup. We should have a breakout about this. एक बार ये, फिर ये, and then this gap will come. ये gap भर चुके हैं, gap आप है, but still there will be some reaction here. There is a chance for this, and यहाँ तक. It's a descending wedge. Descending wedge is always bullish. So let's see what the market does here. ये बड़ा वाला fall भी है, but see this is a hammer here, and then there is a bullish divergence here. Bullish divergence will confirm once this trend line breaks, and then if there is a bullish divergence setup, okay, at a lower band with outside inside, yeah, outside inside tha, okay, so the target will be upper band. So FMCG sector might have a burst on the upside. That is more okay. And that is the reason why see Nifty I'm not much negative still. So this is one of the reason FMCG sector is a supporting sector for Nifty. And second thing that you look at it is also see 50% of this candle is still acting as support. जब तक ये नहीं टूटता तब तक FMCG टूटेगा नहीं. Okay, so this is another thing which you should have a view on, because this is a key support. And I think if anybody has done candlesticks from us, we have always said a long green candle or a long red candle will have 50% of that as its support or resistance. इसके लिए मैंने यहाँ पे भी ये आधा ही दिखाया क्योंकि ये लॉन्ग रेड है. ओके, इसका मैंने बोला कि यहाँ तक आ सकता है. मैंने अपर बैंड बोला है with respect to Buddhist divergence. But when I was showing you initially, I was bringing it till this because half of this, if this is a genuine breakdown, तो इसका आधा जो है उसको भी डिफेंड किया जाएगा. Okay. So FMCG is okay. On daily it seems to be good because it's a bullish range shift. अगर आप देखोगे तो 40 के ऊपर है. See 41.41. So it's a bullish range shift that is happening here, which is looking good after a bullish divergence. Okay. Here also there is a bullish setup if you see. Okay, after two black candles, a first white at 20 ms support. And also bullish harami on forming in monthly. जो ठीक है, month अब तक खत्म नहीं होता हम बोल नहीं सकते. Okay, but there is a PRD here, 4 bar PRD on bullish on monthly chart. So अगर ये confirm करता है for 39,600 के ऊपर में, तो you might see a new high even in FMCG. Okay, so there is a PRD on monthly and here we have this. So let's see. So a 5 bar bullish divergence setup था already. Okay, and already 500 point last week से ऊपर आ चुका है. So there is a bullish range shift. Weekly bullish harami. Harami at 20 ms support and 4 bar PRD setup. Okay, confirms about FMCG also looks okay to me. Let's go to the other. ये बेचारा तो काम की बोझ कमाना. यार ये देखो इसको भी bullish range shift. See, this has got more clear bullish range shift. So pharma is also looking and see gap support. So I think Wednesday को market ने इस पे gap support भी लिया हुआ है, 40 support भी लिया हुआ है, and it's a gap up on the Murat day. So Murat day इतना ज़्यादा हम लोग consider नहीं करते, but it still looks okay. Doji at lower band and price support, let it go above this. So यहाँ पे भी support है. So this is the support. Still it is at support. I would expect it इसके ऊपर में रहना चाहिए, तो और chances है ऊपर जाने का. See, mainly I might sound to be bullish on many occasions, but see, these are still the lines which are been respected. जब तक ये break नहीं होते ना बड़े black candles से, there is no reversal signal yet. And see, this is more of a 60 or a bullish range still on RSI. So that is the only reason why मैं थोड़ा bullish रहता हूँ, क्योंकि यहाँ पे system ऐसा है इसके लिए. So this is still at 40 support and looking good. Weekly still the same. Monthly, it's not a bearish candle, but monthly price and 60 support. Let's see. So this sector is still not dead, okay? Maybe the stocks have taken too much of beatings. And last, let's see. पर एनर्जी भी देख ही लेते बहुत चल रहा है एनर्जी का ये अच्छा it also has got a doji at price and gap support so not bad sector as well. See daily सब में टूटा है but this is still looking good. अभी विक्स भी देखना है विक्स भी बहुत बढ़ रहा था अरे lovely see it has gone below 7 ये it had touched almost 20 last week में मेरे ख्याल से last Friday sorry it touched almost 20 and see again it has gone down it resisted 60 again and now it is around 40 and a hammer okay so it might remain range bound but now I think we might see some good movement in the market मतलब stable movement, a good movement in terms less volatility. Let's see auto. So auto, I want it to go about this. So 11,640 के ऊपर जाना चाहिए. This is the resistance level so far for us. We need this to be crossed. Then it can touch again this. So auto is okay looking. Yeah, 60 support. Okay, so not bad. So there is nothing wrong in auto as well. This is fine now. ये अभी निकल चला इसके ऊपर जाना चाहिए अभी न्यू ऑल टाइम हाई मारना चाहिए 600.7 that's it so क्या था 570 auto is looking good because first of all we had this monthly morning star at 60 the best again I think Tata Motors and Maruti we should be looking at okay क्या है bullseye शेड्यूल में यहाँ पे just and also an alert bar. So daily is a bull sash and alert bar. Both things together. Okay, hammer me. All the doji high at 16 support. Bullish. And doji high. This is also that. And monthly cross this equator रखेंगे okay, this remains as this. Okay. We now have this 6 things. Now let's see if the stocks become fast. Okay. And Bangalore. Okay, so this does not make sense. We need the resistance here. We need this to be crossed. So there is a straight over Reliance. तभी पाई था ये गलती वाली. It's at 40 support. This looks really good. Just avoid. It's a bullish Harani, 40 support, 60 support, and above 60. It's looking really good. Relax. मेरे को खाली याद कराना reality stocks because they are none of them good at in futures actually. DLF को छोड़ के. Okay, so this is at resistance now, but I think you can see Shobha and all on equity. But can buy it. This is where it can go to. So, auto. Maruti, I think, is already long on top bottom. So again, that is looking good. But the only thing is we need a close. See, there is a gap here. So above the gap, once it goes, you can again re-enter into Maruti. So this is where it is getting resisted, and this is the gap. ये gap के ऊपर में close होने पे ही इसको लेना चाहिए. So 7880 के ऊपर या 7900 is where you buy this particular stock, and from there it can go to 8100. So there is a 200 points still rally available in this. Weekly has crossed 60 और क्या चाहिए? एक मिनट भाई साहब मैं आउटली करता हूँ. हजार points from here. So 8500, there is one target. And that can be also matching with this. हैमर है, हैमर का लो के साथ मैच होता है ये वाला, और दूसरा भी इधर गैप है काफी ऊपर का है, तो करके somewhere some movement in the expectation, and second is this, which is 8550. So Maruti can be a buy as well. Seven, four, Apollo Tires is buying equity if you want to do it, Gautam. It's again, a breakout of cup. So if you want, Apollo Tires is still looking good. वो मेरा search में भी है. Okay, I'll show you it. ये देखो. मेरा दिवाली सर्च में एक जगह पे आपको Apollo Tires दिखेगा. Apollo. ये रहा देखो. Okay. Yeah. It is. ये मेरा सर्च का है वो. ओके, एंड एक BLS करके है. ओके, यहाँ पे एक BSL लिया है वो वाला, वो मैं तुमको दिवाली में देने वाला था. सो दैट वी विल सी अगेन. ओके, पहले ये कर लेते हैं. 7900. So let's so now Bajaj Auto फालतू का अपना stop loss लेके ऊपर गया है तो मारना चाहिए. So that mounts from 40 actually.
बट सर ना लास्ट वीक आप अपसेंट थे और परेश जी ने लिया ना, तो उनका रिकॉर्ड 100% स्ट्राइक रेट है. सारे ट्रेड हिट हुए.
हाँ मालूम है उसने सारे ट्रेड हिट हुए. मैंने उसको वही बोला सब हिट हुए. एंड देन दो अच्छे भी गए. इनफैक्ट तीन अच्छे गए. एचडीएफसी बैंक उसने बहुत जल्दी बंद कर दिया था. नेक्स्ट डे उसमें भी अगर होल्ड करते थे तो मिल जाता था. बट आई डोंट नो क्योंकि उसको ग्रासिम में अच्छा पैसा मिला तो बात हुई. सब एचडीएफसी बैंक भी उसने बंद करवा दिया. एसीसी भी जल्दी बंद करवा दिया.
वो ठीक है.
हाँ वो ठीक है बट हिट सब हुए. यस यू आर राइट. अभी ये भी देखो वापस 40 पे इसको भी बुलसैश है या बुल सेपरेटिंग लाइन है इसको. तो इसके ऊपर में वापस सेम लेवल पे ही एंट्री इसका. इट कैन टेक यू बैक टू दिस लेवल्स. So even this is looking good. खाली मेरे को इसका वीकली देखना है क्या है. अच्छा वीकली भी डोजी है. वीकली डोजी एट प्राइस सपोर्ट और क्या चाहिए इसमें. Even Bajaj Auto is looking good. So auto sector anyways we saw it has crossed weekly 60 yeah now. जो अब तक नहीं क्रॉस किया था. तो Bajaj Auto is still again looking good. यहाँ पे ही है वो 68. और अभी इसका भाई ठीक है. सेम टारगेट ही रहेगा. सब will change. Because this is a bull sesh, we can also keep half of this. So एक बार trigger होने दो, we'll see hourly chart and change the itself. But it looks good. दिवाली दिन पे काफी लोगों ने ऑटो शॉट्स लिए हैं. एमआरएफ क्या किया. एमआरएफ की थोड़ा मेरे को पॉजिटिव दिख रहा था. हाँ 40 सपोर्ट पे पोजीशन है. ऊपर में भाई 79,200 ट्रिगर कर देगा और फिर मूवमेंट भी फास्ट देगा. So MRF is looking good. I think Apollo इसने बोला इसमें भी मैं दिखा सकता हूँ. Apollo हॉस्पिटल में भाई मारा. टायर बता. See, this is what I was looking into it. I am waiting for this breakout. So Apollo टायर किसने बोला था कौन तक इसके ऊपर में बाई है बट don't buy immediately. It is a buy about 245. इसलिए मैंने बोला ना. मैंने ये टाइम दिवाली स्टॉक्स जो भी निकाले थे ना उसके सबके बाय 10% अबाव है. ओके जो करंट प्राइस है ना उसके 10% ऊपर में बाय है. इसके लिए थोड़ा मैंने रिलक्टेंट हूँ देने के लिए एंट्रीज क्योंकि इट माइट नॉट इवन ट्रिगर इन अ मंथ. Okay, so it might take some time. That's why I said I think Mangesh was asking कि what about Diwali stocks. तो ये टाइम मुहूर्त ट्रेडिंग में just blue chips buy करो. बाकी के जो stocks है ना we'll have to wait for the levels because बहुत सारे का levels ये last month के जो fall आया ना उसमें बिगड़ गया. तो we need now to wait for this levels to be broken again. इसके ऊपर में ये buy है तो 242 245 के ऊपर में buy है. And then you can see this is what you are expecting. Okay, ये पूरा जो fall है ना वो वापस ऊपर जाएगा अपना. Or at least you can expect 300 to 310. So that's why now I'm waiting for this also. Okay, so auto sector we saw. Let's see banking पहले. HDFC Bank क्या बोलता है. again a doji. See, last week it went till almost इसके ऊपर में भी गया था ना 1625. उससे 1612 में ही बंद करवा दिया था. वो गलत किया था. See, again it's a W pattern. Okay, you can see easily there is W here. There is a bullish Arami here. So chances of Bank Nifty going higher is there because if this is crossed, this will again come up. So banking is looking okay to me. To GH support and here also it is at price support and RSI support. CLCI क्या बोलता है? थोड़ा bias है, but it is at a huge gap support. See this. बड़ा वाला gap support है और ये यहाँ तक एक बार आके support लेके भी जा सकता है. So this is still looking bad, but it has got a huge gap support. So this still has got a gap support for us. Monthly is looking still good, no bearishness on monthly. Let's just get it there. Axis is also trying to get out. Okay, so Axis भी अच्छा दिख रहा है. ये एक बैंक का जो रिजल्ट अच्छा देने के बाद बेचारा गिर गया. Is how market works. Okay, so this has resisted 60 actually. इसको 60 के ऊपर जाना तो फिर ट्रेड करेंगे. कौन है SBI तो यार झूठी वाला. अरे यार ये मैंने इधर डाल दिया सी चैट में यार. इधर आते हैं इधर. कोटक पे लिखता सब प्राइवेट बैंक खत्म करते हैं. ये खाली 60 के नीचे है तो ये भी अच्छा बाय है. इसके ऊपर नहीं बाय है. This is the target, first target. See OG at 60. This is also looking good. 2080 is the buy price. And you can expect it to go till 2160. So 80 rupees का इसमें भी movement expect कर सकते हैं. This is also looking good on both the time frames. SPIN. There is divergence actually. 75, 71. Confirm below this 560. But this is good. See, no bearishness on weekly and bandwidth. और monthly तो वही है झंडा चला रहा है. This is what I'm expecting in others also. और जो ऑटो सेक्टर दिखा है ना अपोलो वो सब पे भी सेम पैटर्न आएगा. वो सुना क्या है बंटी का साबुन स्लो है अपोलो का. इसके लिए ब्रेकआउट देने को शर्मा है. I think Kotak is looking good. So Amar sir, SBI is also looking good, but I think somewhere some correction is expected due to the bearish divergence here. Okay, and that will confirm below 560. But we have to wait for that 516 to come. See the short नहीं कर सकते because see this volume देखो इधर. इसका लो क्या है 516 इसका भी. So वो लो तो इतने लो. But look at the volume here. ये देख के लगता नहीं कि कुछ ज्यादा bearishness है इसमें. I think Kotak is a buy. 2080 के ऊपर में. बैंक नहीं है तो क्या हो गया दूसरा बैंक है अपने पास. So Kotak is looking. That's not 5. So this is still looking good. Check. So banks are done. ग्रासिम रह गया था, एक बार देख लेता हूँ उसने क्या किया है। ग्रासिम आई थिंक इट हिट द टारगेट आल्सो, 1810 का अपना टारगेट था, उधर तक आके गया है। अभी देखना पड़ेगा क्या करेगा ये। So still it is at 60 support. There is no bearishness, ये दोनों कैंडल के बीच में प्राइस भी नीचे, आरएसआई भी नीचे है। ओ ये क्या हो गया? 70 अरे नहीं है, सी नो bearishness, 70.19, 70.21 and band walk. So Grasim is still a par actually. Oh, this is all-time high actually. It's not bad. This because the retracement was almost at 61%. Two can be the target. Okay. So after in the opportunity series, that क्या टाइप अमर सर आपने शॉर्ट बंद कर दिया था आपका, closed it. The see now it is showing a clear reversal.
ऑटोमेटिकली रिवर्स हो गया लॉन्ग में।
अच्छा टॉप बॉटम फॉलो किया क्या?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, लॉन्ग में रिवर्स हो गया।
हाँ, then that is fine. Then that is fine. Because now it is looking interesting because see, this was the consolidation level before the breakout.
लेकिन उसके नीचे आया 3518 पे रिवर्स हुआ है, थोड़ा सा नीचे आया 35 में 3518।
ठीक है चलेगा. So once it crosses 3540, it should then go again. But then there is a gap here. वो थोड़ा छोटा gap है, but it should be okay. And let's see what it does here. अगर 60 डेली पे रेजिस्ट किया along with gap तो एक बार फिर प्रॉफिट बुक कर देना, या तो you can hold with buy price stop loss. I think that is fine.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so this is okay. हाँ, PRD भी है इसमें. See this? 3 बार 4 बार PRD है. 65 and 63 monthly PRD, and it will confirm about this 3612. So should be fine. 3612 कहाँ आता है? इसके ऊपर में confirm. So ये भी थोड़ा यहाँ इसके ऊपर में 3540 के ऊपर I think it should work good for us. And it should come to here and then cross this. So this is also looking okay. It will be same. 20 एमए पे सेम पैटर्न दिखे बेटा. See, it is a gap resistance. So इसमें कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. Gap resistance पर So see a sideways movement again. Few stocks in IT, but TCS is looking good. Infi is looking good once it gives a breakout over 20 MA. So there is a chance of a spurt in few stocks in IT. So take a mind to क्या बोलते हैं. This is also at 60. It's also around 59. So again, there is an issue here in this stock also. So let's wait for it. CCN. Or China. There's no trade in this as such. Okay, here it shows a trade. And it also shows support of trend line actually. Trend line support, and that trend line is trend line. The monthly is below 60 and daily is below 40 and there is no bullish divergence yet. So that's why I'm reluctant to have any trade in this. Though weekly looks strong. Okay, it's a golden trade as per trend line, but I'm still not able to consider it as a trade. Can we buy about 24, 40, 45? Okay, because this is the trend line you need to watch out for an end. So buy once this is broken convincing. It should be around about this, or maybe let this cluster of candles का भी जो resistance है उसको क्रॉस करने दो. इसके ऊपर में ये बाई है. Go beyond this, then this is the first stop, and maybe this will be the second stop. This can be a movement on the upside, but I'm not convinced on the RSI front. Because monthly has been 160. See, if monthly at 60 and daily divergence, so then it was a good shot. But in monthly, the 60 के नीचे है. Then it does not fall on 10%. So FMCG has taken a lot of beating actually. It's still okay. Good start to 4. I think this can be a buy about this only, but then immediately this 100 points still there. Ag actually. Okay. It's much more than let's go to medical. Pharma. It does not have any entry here. Morning Star on weekly, but not that. Buy. This again is a buy about 200 points तो पहुंच जाएगा. Buy about 48.50 as well. With the stop loss of this 47.75. So around 70 points stop loss, and you can expect 5,000 as the target. Yes. 5,000 here. Can expect some movement even on this. It's also 4,900 per resistance. So 49.51. Dr. Reddy is also okay. Seven, eight. Four, six. So this is getting into consolidation phase as well. The सब पूरा इधर warning भी नहीं है इसमें. Oro is also got into now. अरे ये देखो अभी. There can be a spurt in this sector as well. See this. See this. It's down. And range shift. Any breakout of this trend line, okay, we need to break out to here and maybe take it. So Oro farm is also looking interesting actually. There is a bullish divergence till here because there is a huge gap here. तो यहाँ तक एक बार आ जाएगा वो, या तो यहाँ तक एक बार आ जाएगा. It's looking good even on this. Okay. Okay. Checking. So there are 6 trades. Now let me just go to the reality sector on equity side. So IB reality is something which is already in buy. I think we will have to see what it does here now. It needs to be crossing 186, its previous high. Okay, so once that is crossed, I think there's no bearishness here now. Okay, and I think the target that we have is almost 250 around. So one is 200, 200. Yeah, so let's wait for this to come. Okay, and it's a beautiful cup on monthly as well. See this and look at this. 460 support, a cup here, and see the volume here. Okay, so this volume needs to be taken out, and we have crossed the high of this. Okay, now we need a close above 190 to take it till 220. Okay, so this is a good cup breakout. First 60 support with volumes. Okay, and now let's see whether we see this coming up. So 275 is also one of the target. We should wait for this patiently, and we should get it. Be a church user. Okay, then is Shobha. See, this is the same thing. It was already a buy. So I think Gautam, since you are asking, I'm showing you this. It was a buy at 700. ओके किसी ने उसको 800 रुपये दिया था तो मैं बोला था कि होल्ड करो आई थिंक आलोक हैड गॉट इट तो उसको भी मैंने बोला था कि भाई होल्ड करो नाउ बिकॉज़ इट इज लुकिंग गुड ऑन मंथली ओके सो दिस इज अगेन लुकिंग गुड and there is a good breakout once it crosses 1070 you might see this touching 1250 again huh? ये भी अच्छा दिख रहा है and realty sector is on breakout so this is also right overall reality so there is a daily chart wave breakout, but चला गया नहीं ये नहीं था उसको क्या था Again, this was a breakout about this, and see within 2 to 3 months it has crossed. So this is looking good. इसने भी target दे दिया. So same way you can expect IB reality to also run. Even DLF is looking good. See, target has been met. Even DLF, if anybody is interested in equity, it is looking good. Okay, see a beautiful cup. It was a buy above this. Okay, and now it has already crossed 430. And now it is at first level of resistance. Once this is crossed, this can be the second target 524, and then it will come to 585. This is still looking good. Okay, look at the volumes here. Okay, and last, something which we had in mind for Diwali. It is international, and it's like coming for the first 60 support, a cup breakout, and it looks good. Okay, so this can be a buy about 242. Okay, and it can give you at least 309 as the first target. Okay, and then it can give you 200. अभी ये कंपनी क्या करता है मेरे को मत पूछना मेरे को नहीं मालूम this is what you can expect 320 as the target this is looking really good so BLS International one stock which can give you till 320 as your target so you can enter now also and keep maybe 200 as your stop loss I think that is also fine and 195 as your stop loss got it हाँ, Godrej Properties भी same है. ये नहीं, बनता है. See, ये भी यहाँ पे बाई था इसके ऊपर में और अभी ऑलरेडी 1000 पॉइंट ऊपर है. This still looks good. Okay, no bearishness yet. Okay. So once again, happy and a prosperous new year to everyone. Again, starting Major, I said that I'll be off from, so not in Mumbai at least from 18th of November till 3rd of January. Okay, so if there is, delay in the reply to anyone, I'm really sorry for that in advance. And yes, everyone is invited between 24th of December to 31st of December at our ashram for the opening of the Jain temple. Okay, so thank you everyone. See you again next week, and let's see how this week goes with 6 trades in hand.